Hi, today we are going to see the chart of Gujarat Gas. Whenever we try to analyze the stock, we should first start to analyze from the higher time frame. So this is a monthly chart of a Gujarat Gas which shows that from last 3 months it has came down, and in this month it has just started moving ahead, and it is now trying to catch up the move on the upside. If you see the momentum of the stock in the monthly, which is shown by RSI, which is above 60, tells us that it is in a strong upward momentum. The stock with respect to moving average, this blue color line is a 20 simple moving average line, exponential moving average line, and this pink color line is a 50 exponential moving average line. So stock is well above these two lines, and hence the stock is in a strong uptrend and a good momentum in a monthly chart. Then we will see what is the story in the weekly chart. Now, if you see in the weekly chart, from last 4 to 5 weeks, it has been consolidating in between the 20 and 50 exponential moving average, and in this week, it has firmly closed above the 20 exponential moving average and above the previous week high. If you see the volume is also picking up slow and steadily. Now, the momentum, it is just about to cross 60. So, it is in a strong momentum in a weekly chart also. Now, the time frame which we are going to trade is a daily, and in this we can in clearly see that from last two candles the volume has been increasing. As far as Dow theory is concerned, the stock made a low here. This is a high. This is a higher low, and today it has crossed and closed above the previous high, which tells the stock has gone in an uptrend in the daily chart. As far as moving average is concerned, the stock has closed above 50 and 20 simple moving average, and it has also started holding the 20 simple moving average. So, all in all, the stock looks good. If you see the momentum also, the RSI had just crossed or about to cross 60, and hence you can buy the stock with a stop loss below the today's candle low, which is 638, and a price target of 730. So, by looking in these videos, you can understand how to analyze the stock or the chart from higher time frame to the lower time frame. What are the things what you have to see, whether the stock is in a good momentum, what are the moving average telling you, and hence it will be helpful for you to analyze the stock in future. If you like the our analysis, kindly request you to please subscribe to our channel and share and hit the like button. Thank you.